I'm Ben Coates with Coates Homes. Welcome to my house. This is a really big space. We had always designed this architecturally to hold art. Tell us how you were able to make a miracle here in this space that was affordable for us, but that told a story.
You and Jen came up with the idea of demonstrating in a visual way abundance. What God had done for you personally as a family, his faithfulness. And so Jen, I believe, came up with the tally mark idea, and I just love it so much. I suggested the grayscale, which I think gives it depth and some texture. You see the brush marks. There's this idea that you need to steward what you've been given in the future. And so we left room for future blessings. And I just love that detail at the end.
Yeah, every time we walk back to the bedroom, down the hallway, we look at this. And it's easily one of the most unique and favorite things we really love